Russia pen Ukraine det hiniang bong nang tenang ni tini pukidoko kajok ron thama kaching thur pini an ni ingkora sirkep an pleng tanglo. Ni ingkora sirkep ki plengar ni ana bangki Ukraine deta bangki Putin ke thengkheng pen ajok pahok wai det an pinlo. Bangso puthak det hiniang bong ron thama kapang ton ponji aphan pura kedam tang therepo ni phai ingkora player ni Brussels along North Atlantic Treaty Organization mati NATO atum pen tongsekot mai pedopon. Russia pen Ukraine dat hiniang bong aron thama kaching thorajok Third World War nangki mande jangring. Russia President Vladimir Putin majokalam theta karjua bangkali bot nuclear pen kateng thengja phansi non puonta ke ther padopon bangso jok kedam tang there poni phain ko clear ni NATO tum amit thanga sahem Brussels along chingwai chingsai padopon bangso hud US President Joe Biden ta chetongdon. Bangso phi NATO Secretary General Jens Stoltenberg pen pherangkya mai padoponlo. Bangso pherangkya mai along NATO Secretary General Jens Stoltenberg kaningje ponatengke NATO hin pen bangki Ukraine hijok ban ke longja phan cherap chitudunpo. Lasi NATO pen kopi ko son pen si Ukraine phan ka cherap dunpo. Bangso puthak NATO Secretary General Jens Stoltenberg pen NATO sahem Brussels along kaningje lamthi arjusena.
Good afternoon. We have just finished an extraordinary summit of NATO leaders to address the biggest threat to our security in a generation, President Putin's war against Ukraine. The people of Ukraine are resisting with courage and determination, fighting for their freedom and for their future. We stand with them. President Zelensky addressed us with an impassioned message, thanking NATO allies for the significant support we are providing and stressing the vital importance of even more military assistance. Today, NATO leaders agreed that we must and will provide further support to Ukraine. We will continue to impose unprecedented costs on Russia, and we will reinforce allied deterrence and defense. Leaders approved our 4 new battle groups in Bulgaria, Hungary, Romania, and Slovakia. These are in addition to the 4 already in the Baltic countries and Poland. So we have 8 multinational NATO battle groups now, from the Baltic Sea to the Black Sea. Across Europe, there are 100,000 US troops supporting NATO efforts, and European allies and Canada have also stepped up. We have 40,000 forces under direct NATO command, mostly in the eastern part of the alliance, backed by major air and naval power, including an unprecedented 5 carrier strike groups from the high north to the Mediterranean. Today, NATO leaders agreed to reset our deterrence and defense for the longer term, to face a new security reality. On land, we will have substantially more forces in the eastern part of the alliance at higher readiness, with more pre-positioned equipment and supplies. In the air, we will deploy more jets and strengthen our integrated air and missile defense.
International Desk Report, Karbiang Long Live.